Hello, I'm Dr. D'Amico from Naples Dental and Implant Center. If you're watching this video, it's because you're interested in the implant challenge. So let me tell you how this whole challenge works. Our implant suppliers has decided to contact us and reach out and gave us a little challenge and said, can we do 12 cases in the month of June? And they would deeply discount all the products, services, and supplies. So for the month of May, you'll have to come in, we'll do the consultation, and if everything's fine, all 12 surgeries will be done in June. This way we can all get the deep discounted price. So I'm going to pass that on to you. So what's included? Well, let me tell you a little bit about implants and what we can do. This is a denture. We can do the implant challenge on top teeth or bottom dentures. On the top, the main complaint is going to be this palate because the roof is covered by plastic. Okay? Many patients will say they can't stand it, or there's not enough room for their tongue, or they cannot taste foods. So we can put implants on the top. We would put 6 implants on the top, and we would cut this palate out, and the denture will lock on and off. The bottom denture, it's just a horseshoe. The main complaint of a lower denture is stability. So when I take this off, it's just a horseshoe. It's just grabbing around the rim. The tongue is constantly pushing on this denture. No matter what brand of adhesive that you use, powder, paste, or strips, they never seem to work. So implants can stabilize a denture. Now let me show you how it works. Here's a model of a lower denture. Okay? It's a regular lower denture. Okay? On the bottom, we would put up to 5 implants in on the bottom. On the inside of this brand new denture, we're going to embed the other half of the male-female attachment. So when you take this denture and you line it up, you lock this down and it stays down. It does not come out. It doesn't come out till you want it out. So if it doesn't come out, you don't need adhesive. You won't get food underneath it. It's not going to be moving, slipping, or coming out, or not giving you any confidence. So a lower denture, the benefit of implants is stability and everything that revolves around stability. Okay? With an upper denture, let's take this model and turn it upside down. This is what your upper denture will look like. It will be a upper denture with the whole palate cut out. It will be a horseshoe upper denture. So we can put implants in on the top, cut out the upper palate. It'll give you more room for your tongue. It'll allow you to taste all your foods better. Okay? So the implant challenge, instead of paying $30,000, $40,000, $45,000 like most doctors charge in town, if I can get 12 patients for the month of June, our price to you is going to be $19,000, which will include up to 6 implants, a 3D CT scan, and up to 2 panoramic x-rays. And that's all most patients will need to have this procedure done. So if you're interested in implants, if you've already talked to some doctor about implants, if you've never talked to any doctor about implants, give us a call, have you come in, I'll take a look, let's see if you're a candidate, and let's see if you can take advantage of our June promotion. So I look forward to meeting you. Give us a call or click right through right on this website and we'll see that you're interested and we'll give you a call. So hope to see you soon. Thank you.